Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw house with sceneries. Come, let's draw house first. Entrance of this house. Windows of this house. A small flower pot. Fencing of this house. Background trees. Background trees. A beautiful landscape of this house. Jeep drawing. Make bold our drawings. Let's draw the beautiful sun. Come, first color the gardens. Trees coloring. The tree is green color. Fencing coloring. Fencing is brown color. Rooftop coloring. The rooftop is red color. Windows coloring. The window is red color. Let's color Jeep. The Jeep color is red. Windows coloring pink and red. And the pink and red rooftop coloring. The sun coloring. The sun is orange color. Now color the entrance of this house. The wall painting with pink color. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.